Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Eva Master, and today we are going to talk about a topic wherein I am going to relate the topics of civil engineering with real life. Okay, and I remember when I was in my second year of BTech, I learned a topic called as stress. Okay, that was the first lesson of strength of materials. So according to the definition, any material, when it is acted upon by an external force, will undergo stress only if it restrains its motion. Okay, for example, this is an object and I'm applying weight on it, that is indirectly an external force. Suppose if this body has free movement, if it moves freely, then what happens to it? It is able to absorb the load without getting damaged. Okay. But what happens when the body behaves like a rigid body and the force is being acted upon it and this is not willing to be flexible? What happens is, because of the load, this structure gets damaged. Okay. Let me tell you how I am relating this with real life scenarios. Okay. We face different types of external forces. It can be peer pressure, work pressure, relationship pressure, education pressure. We are constantly under pressure from different things. But we have to remember that if we be flexible, what happens is we are able to reduce the impact on ourselves. And you must have seen the people who have a happy nature, or who take things light, they are always happier. What is the reason behind it? It is not that they do not have problems, but the way they deal with problems is what matters there. And what happens is they are highly flexible. Okay. They keep a problem up to a certain extent only. But I see many people, if they have any small incident during the daytime, they keep nagging about it throughout the day and they spoil their moods. And that is not the right method, to deal with different stresses. We have to be at the moment, that is, live in the moment. Why? Because in life we are facing different issues and we cannot keep crying on different issues. So I suggest you people to be flexible. Why? Because your you go mental stress only when you resist the problems, or you overthink about it. And those who are truly flexible, they can deal it in a better way. So this is what we can learn from the topic called as stress.